Hello, students. Good morning to all. Welcome you all back to Bhaskar tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you about internet. How does it work and some history of internet. So let's see here the history of internet. Basically, it was developed in the US by the US Advanced Research Project Agency. And for the first time, it was connected in the month of October 1969. And it was called ARPANET. Okay, just remember this date and the name, who, where it was developed, and when it was developed. So it was developed in US for the first time by United States Agency, sorry, Advanced Research Project Agency Net, and in the month of October 1969. This is a small history about internet. Now you see, across the globe, millions of people or billions of people are using internet every day for different purpose. Some are using for communication purpose, some are using for business purpose, and some other are using for their personal purpose. So according to the person usage, the work of internet is also classified into various different types. Okay, so this internet is connected. Okay, this internet is connected with the help of some electronic device like your laptop, mobile phone, or your desktop. The connection of internet. Now you see the World Wide Web. Okay, www, you all know that it's very important. World Wide Web. Okay, it was created at CERN in Switzerland by Tim Berners-Lee in the year 1990, and he is also known as the father of the internet, Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, so the basic definition of internet is, it is the biggest and worldwide communication of network of a computer. So internet is just a network and nothing else, which is connected worldwide. Okay, so I think you have learned what is internet. Now let's see what is web. Okay, it's just a collection of information. Web is what? Collection of information accessed through the internet, and it's not a www. I already told you here also, www. So it is a collection of information. In the www, we are getting all the information according to the website. Okay, it's just a page, and it is made up of text, image, and other resources. Just keep in mind, the www is made up of text, images, and other resources. Now let's see the networking devices. Okay, before that, I want to tell you some other functions of internet. Okay, how does internet work? I will tell you how does what are the networking devices, that also I will tell you, don't worry. But I will tell you some other whatever work we can do or we are doing in the internet. So you all know that it is very easy sources of everything. Whenever you feel hungry, you are ordering the food from Zomato and many more websites. You are going and ordering your dress or books routes or many more things, and also it helps us to finding a route if you are unaware of the place. So these are some of the basic and simplest things what you are doing in internet. And also you see the social networking site. Okay, you all are aware of the social networking site, the Facebook, email, WhatsApp. These all are social networking site through which we can communicate with different person across the globe in a real time. Keep in mind, social networking site, we can communicate with anybody across the globe in a real time. And also we find any information through the internet. We are able to find, or we can find any information via online. Okay, with the help of our mobile or laptop or computer. Now the thing is that how we are finding any information in online. Okay, at first we need to go in Google Chrome, that is called web browser. Without web browser you cannot access internet. Just remember one thing, without web browser you cannot access internet. Okay, so the search engine. Okay, in the web browser there is a search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, and many more. That search engine helps us to find a information whatever we input. Okay, with the help of keyboard. Now example, in a Google, whenever you go and you type a Facebook, www.m.facebook.com, then it will take to you the another page of the Facebook through which you can log in and access it. Okay, so that means the search engine helps us to take in the relevant place wherever we want to go in internet. The page you can call it, just work like a bridge. Okay, just remember, it just like work like a bridge. So next you see networking devices. Now for accessing the internet we need some devices that are network hub, switch, modem, Wi-Fi, network router, bridge and repeaters. These are some of the networking devices which is very much important to access internet. Okay, but in a mobile we don't need any external things to access internet, just we need an ISP. Now the thing is that what is ISP? Let's see here what is ISP. See here, ISP is a internet service provider. It's a company. Yes, you were right. The company means the internet provider company. Now who provides you internet? Yes, you're right, that is the SIM cards company. They are like Reliance Jio and Airtel and many more. Okay, so those are the company which provide internet for whom? To the customer. Okay, and that is only known as ISP. Here are some of the ISP, these are the largest ISP across the India or regional place. Okay, AT&T, WorldNet, IBM Global Network and many more are some of the largest ISP, internet service provider. Okay, so we need this ISPs, internet service provider, then only we can able to access internet. It means that we need many more things only with the help of ISP we cannot connect internet, or we cannot access to internet. We need, like in the mobile devices, for example, I'm telling you that web browser you need, search engine you need, and ISP, internet service provider. Okay, yeah, you need these many things. Now let's see email. As you all know that what is email, since you are using your mobile phone. It is an electronic mail through which we can send and receive message or any information using electronic devices. That is your mobile phone or laptop or computer. Okay. So now in the email we can send letters, we can send any videos or audio or any images in email. That is just it is just like an post office. Okay, but email is much more faster. Within a second we can send and receive any message. Now let's see some online media. Okay, you please tell me some online media. Yes, you're right, that is YouTube. YouTube is the online media through which we can watch videos and listen musics for our entertainment. Yeah, yes, you are right. YouTube. Yes, and Netflix too. Yeah. So YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, and many more are online media through which we can watch videos and listen to music and get entertained. Okay. Okay. Next, let's see. I will explain one last and one most important thing, that is URL. After ISP, we have to know that URL. So what is URL? The abbreviation, the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. So it's just like a street address that tell your browser where to go on internet. Okay, it just tells your browser where to go on internet. URL, it is just a page. Okay, like I already told you. And that URL you have to provide, that means you have to input in the search engine. Okay, and or address bar also. Not only search engine, you can put in address bar, and basically you will get the URL in the address bar. Okay, that is the top of the browser. So thank you for watching this video.